This video will take what we've learned one step further. We want to automatically print labels from the Excel spreadsheet with a barcoded part number. In the last video, we created and saved a link to the Excel Parts List 2 spreadsheet. We should be able to find and click on this link to merge and print our labels. Let's give it a try. Click Open Database, click Link Database, click on the machine data source. Now you can see the link we named Excel Parts List 2. Click on it and click OK. Sheet 1 is selected, so click OK. Click Insert Fields. Let's start with an all text label. The Master tab is selected by default. So move the text box to cover the label and start inserting the fields. Highlight description and click Insert and New Line twice. Repeat for supplier. Skip to cost in text format. And finally, insert part number. All the fields we want are in position, so click Close. It would be better to see each field's value, and you can. Under Database, click Display Records. Highlight the record and make it bold 10 point. There are 16 records, and you can step through each with the next and previous arrow buttons. You can even jump to the beginning and end of the list. End, beginning. Click the print preview and you see 14 labels on the first sheet and 2 more labels on the second sheet. Let's assume you have already printed the first 6 records and just added 10 more new records to your spreadsheet. How would you print just the 10 new records? Click Setup, then Database. In the Database square, uncheck Print All Records and change the start to 7 and the end to 16. Now click Print Preview. Here's another challenge. Let's say you have a partial sheet of labels where the first 4 labels are used. Click Setup, click Options. To start with label 5, click on it. Click Print Preview. And you can see they skipped the first 4 labels and started on label 5. Here's a tip. Range entries do not work with databases. Finally, how do we get the part number printed as a barcode, leaving the remaining text as is? First, let's start printing 16 records at label position 1. the way we originally started. Click Close. Under Database, click the Display Records to get our field names back. Highlight the part number and right-click and select Cut. Backspace the two blank lines and center the remaining field names. Now click on the Insert Barcode tool and create a barcode box in the right half. Click on the Insert Field tool with part number highlighted. Click Insert. Close the Insert Field box. Right-click in the barcode box and click on Format Barcode. Change type to code 128 type ABC. In the parameters box, check Calculate Check Digit, display plain text, and adjust size. Click OK. I'll center the barcode box a little better. Click Display Records under Database and step through a few records. Finally, click Print Preview and zoom to 200%. And you will see each label for each record, and every part number has a barcode above it. We've covered a lot of details over the last few videos, so it's worth putting all the steps together in one video, which is what we do next.